scarf, belt, anything you've got. Now release the foot, keep the left leg bent though, and do little pulses. Using the strength in the back line of that left leg. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Support yourself with the left arm. Look past the right shoulder, bend to the right leg, and grab with the right hand or a strap, whatever you might be using. Quad stretch.
Inhale strength, exhale grace. Peace surrounds the sacred space.
Release with the hand. Square up through the upper body to keep that back leg bent. And pulse. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1. Lower it down. I'm going to shimmy back on my mat a little bit and roll onto my right side, supporting myself with my left forearm. You can stack the feet or have them staggered for more balance, and lift